everyone, it's Heidi with WTI, and it is so nice to be able to display my artwork or photos in a classic and professional way. With these Golden State Art white pre-cut picture mats, I'm able to do just that. I love displaying my watercolor paintings and paper craft creations with these mats because the quality is excellent. The inside edges are beveled. It's such a nice detail. The top layer that's beveled has a white core, so it looks white all the way through. The mat is nice and thick and substantial. It's 4-ply, and the backboard is white on both sides. They even come with re-sealable adhesive clear bags. So if you're looking to give a gift, or even if you're selling your art, it's a beautiful way to be able to present it. These Golden State Art white pre-cut mats are an excellent way to be able to show off or present my artwork or photos. I love being able to use these to create displays in my home, as well as to give for gifts for my friends and family. And that's my point of view.